Before I start this video and get into this, because I am really excited about this, a life lesson to everyone: don't have friends, don't have loved ones, because what they will do is make you spend all your money. They will support you to your dreams, your ambitions, and push you even when you don't believe in yourself. It sounds beautiful, but then when you're broke at the end of the day, achieving and pushing towards your dreams, you'll understand. And now we're going to get off the seriousness. So we're going to get to it. So guys, finally did it. Let's talk about the journey. I'm a creative. I'm about to dabble into another sector of being a creative. I'm still doing my VFX stuff. I'm still just creating videos in general, but I feel like this is just a path I needed to take to level up my cosplay and just really dive deeper into being a nerd. Because without this, I could have done it. This just seems way more fun. I ended up getting a 3D printer. Originally, I'd basically reached out to different people to go halves because I was, you know what I mean? I was sleeping on myself. I was sleeping on the edge. Each one of those persons said yes, they always wanted one. They want to get one. And then they gave me 7 working days to reply to basically get to me answers, or they wasn't sure. My partner and a new friend from work, which has a 3D printer, they was like, listen, you need to do it. You need to achieve your dreams. If you don't go for it, who's going to do it? I did it. I just got it. And you know what I mean? I was hoping for some jolly cooperation, but we move because I'm a grown man. I just need to, you know what I mean, make this journey myself. And I'm really excited for this. I'm not going to give you no spoilers. So yeah, look forward to that. Anyway, let's get this started. Bada bing, bada boom, you don't get me. Bambu Labs are having a sale. This is the PLA Basics. I got 4. I mainly got 4 of them because they come with the spools and they're reusable spools. These are the hot end hardened steel nozzles. I ended up getting 3 of those. Yeah, I'm not even gonna lie, I was struggling trying to get this out of the box. One thing I will say, which is amazing, Bambu Labs, and I'm sure everyone knows who owns a Bambu Lab, but this was so simple to put together, and they give you such clear and concise constructions. It's amazing. Okay, that should be pretty self-explanatory.
Yeah, it's all pretty alright.
This is the influence. The influencer.
You got the Osmo.
As you can see, the printing is now completed, and here's our first producto. Yes. And then we'll be back. Maybe not be back. Maybe I'll just finish this off tomorrow. Anyway, guys, deuces. Here's me doing some painting, fining, and cleaning up of some other prints I've done over the last few months. I'm going to update you again with the 5-month review. Again, sorry guys, these videos are late, but I'm going to keep them coming.